Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. The result I equals to the integral from 3 to 4 e to the power of s cosine s ln s r tan s over s square plus 1 everything multiplied with s minus 1 ds belongs in the range of. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about the function in here. So we will need to find first the derivative of the function, and we will get about this one. This is about first the derivative of the function. Later that we put about the value from 3 to 4, and we can see that f of s, first the derivative of the function f of s is greater than 0, so it means a continuous and increasing. Now we need to look about number 3 and number 4. If we put about f of number 3 and f of number 4, we can get the result. That's about negative 1.364, and f of number 4 we will get about negative 1.286. So we will apply about trapezoid area. Because this is about increasing in the function, we can apply about trapezoid in the area. So we will about in absolute value of this number plus absolute value of this number, and then we multiply with 4 minus 3. That's about the number in here, and we divide with number 2. Later that we can get the final answer. That's about 1.325, and in this situation they are in the negative, so we put the negative in here, and the answer for the question in here is about B. That's the end. Thank you for watching.